What is apple butter? Apple butter is a thick and creamy apple spread that is similar to that of jam or jelly. Though it is called apple butter, there is no butter in it. Apple butter generally contains apples, cinnamon, nutmeg, cloves or similar spices. It is thicker than applesauce and has a spreadable consistency like butter. Apple butter is cooked for a long time, allowing more water to be drawn out and give the apples a nice caramelized taste. You can even can apple butter. However, it is important to make sure to follow the directions properly. What are the best apples for apple butter? There are over 100 varieties of apples that are sold in America. Different varieties of apples are used for different things, such as pies, applesauce, and apple butter. When choosing an apple for apple butter, it is best to choose an apple that is soft. Soft apples are best because they cook down faster, allowing for smoother apple butter. You can use all the same type of apple for your apple butter, or use a variety of different apples. Fuji. Fuji apples were originally grown in Japan in the 1930s, before making their way over to America in the 1980s. They are well loved for their sweet flavor and smooth taste. These bicolored apples are generally available all year long. Braeburn. The Braeburn apple originated in New Zealand in the 1950s. It is well loved for its sweet flavor along with its crispy and juicy consistency. It is available from October through July and is a popular apple used in many different dishes. Macintosh. The Macintosh apple has been a popular choice since the 1800s, after being found by John Macintosh. It's a juicy, tangy apple that is often used in pies, applesauce, and apple butter. It is generally available between September and May. Golden Delicious. Golden Delicious is a pale green to golden yellow apple with a mild sweet taste. It's a great apple if don't like a tart flavor. It is often used in pies, tarts, apple butter, and applesauce. Cortland. Cortland apples are a yellow-green apple, beautiful in both looks and taste. They are tart and tender apples that taste great made into apple butter or chopped up into salads. These apples are mainly found in the East and Midwest, generally being picked between fall and winter. Liberty. Liberty apples are a dark red apple with a sweet and juicy consistency and a slight tart flavor. Liberty apples got their name after they were developed in New York to be free of diseases that destroy apple crops. They are late harvest apples, commonly used in dishes such as apple butter, applesauce, tarts, and pies. How apple butter is made. A popular way to make apple butter is in a slow cooker or crock pot. Apples should be peeled and cored before making them into butter. If you make your apple butter with a crock pot, add your peeled and cored apples to the crock pot, along with your choice of spices, such as cinnamon, pumpkin pie spice, and nutmeg. Allow apples to simmer on low in crock pot for 10 hours. Apple butter should be stored in airtight containers in the fridge. They can also be stored in the freezer for up to a year. Allow the apple butter to fully cool before storing it in the fridge or freezer. Apple butter uses. Apple butter makes a great spread you can add to your favorite snacks, on top of bread, muffins, cakes, even sandwiches, marinate on meats, and bake in delicious recipes. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.